Good morning, my dear student. Chemical kinetics. Easy way to calculate energy of activation EA value. The rate constant of a reaction at 400 and 200 Kelvin are 0.04 and 0.02 second power minus 1 respectively. Calculate the value of activation energy. Calculate the value of activation energy. So at low temperature, rate constant is 0.02 and at high temperature, rate constant is K2. So at T1, the rate constant is K1. The lowest temperature 200 Kelvin. At 200 Kelvin, K1 equal to 0.02 second power minus 1. At high temperature T2 Kelvin, what is the temperature given in our problem? 400 Kelvin. What is K2? K2 equal to 0.04 second power minus 1. 0.04 second power minus 1. We know the Arrhenius equation at two different temperature is log of K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 and T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. From this, now we are going to calculate the EA value, energy of activation value. Now I substitute all the values in this. R is a gas constant in joule. It is 8.314 joule Kelvin power minus 1 mole power minus 1. Log of what is the K2 value? 0.04 by what is K1 value? 0.02. That is equal to, we have to calculate EA by 2.303 into R value 8.314 into T2 minus T1 400 minus 200 by T1 and T2. T1 is 200 and T2 is 400. Now, we can easily solve this. When we cancel 0.02 and 0.04, 0.02 and 0.04, we will get the answer 2. Log 2 is equal to EA by 2.303 and 8.314 and 400 minus 200 equal to 200 divided by 200 and 400. We have to calculate EA value. So bring all the value to the left hand side. Before that, now you can cancel 200 get cancel, 1 by 400 there we have 1 by 400. Or one more step you can write, log 2 is equal to EA by 2.303 and 8.314 and 1 by 400. Bring all these denominator value to the left hand side. Right hand side we have EA. So EA is equal to, bring all these value to the left hand side, log 2 and 2.303 and 8.314 and 400. Log 2 value we know 0.3010 end 2.303 end 8.314 end 400 will give the final answer. That is equal to, when we multiply these two, we will get 0.6932 end 8.314 end 4 into 100, that is 400. So 0.69 can be taken as 0.70 end 8.3 can be taken as 8. So 8 into 0.7 equal to 5.6. 5.6 into 4 will give the answer. But when you multiply along with the 4 digit, you will get 2305 joule mole power minus 1 in the scientific method. We know 1 joule equal to 10 power minus 3 kilojoule. Energy of activation EA equal to 2.305 10 power minus 3. When you multiply 10 power minus 3 kilojoule mole power minus 1. This is energy of activation. We have calculated. One more problem in this video we are going to discuss. The next problem is rate constant of a reaction varies with the temperature T according to the following Arrhenius equation. Log K equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 R into 1 by T, where EA is the energy of activation. When a graph is plotted for log K versus 1 by T, a straight line with a slope of minus 4000 Kelvin is obtained. Calculate the activation energy. Here also we are going to calculate activation energy. First, now I write this equation log K equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 end R 1 by T. This equation is similar to your straight line equation. Y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Now when you draw a graph, log K is taken in y axis, log K, and x axis is 1 by T. It is a straight line equation. The slope of the straight line is negative. Therefore, we will get straight line like this. What is the slope of the straight line? M equal to slope of the straight line equal to minus EA by 2.303 into R. And when you extrapolate this straight line, it cut in the y axis. So the y axis intercept is C. C value is log A. C value is log A. Using this slope value, we can calculate the energy of activation. For this graphical representation, slope M equal to minus EA by 2.303 into R. Therefore, EA is equal to, bring all this quantity along the sign to the left hand side, minus 2.303 into 8.314 into slope M. Slope value is given in our problem, that is equal to minus 2.303 into 8.314. Slope value given is minus 4000. That is equal to minus into minus becomes plus. And when you multiply all these quantity, you will get plus 76,589 joule mole power minus 1. When we convert this joule into kilojoule, we know 1 joule equal to 10 power minus 3 kilojoule. Multiply this value by 10 power minus 3, you will get the answer 76.5 589 kilojoule mole power minus 1. This is energy of activation. In this video, we discussed two problems. In the incoming video also, we are going to discuss about the problems in chemical kinetics. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.